Every morning as the sun rises, the Unitex team is cleaning and delivering fresh linens and uniforms to healthcare facilities throughout the Northeast. Our products are reusable, which means the Unitex business model is fundamentally green every single day.
When I started, there wasn't a whole lot of green initiative at any of the facilities that we served. Now, it's all about reusable underpads, reusable patient gowns, anything that we can do to keep the disposables out of the landfills.
It's one thing just to build a plant that's supposed to be energy conscious, but if you're not monitoring it day to day, there's issues that could go uncorrected. Every day we're very conscious of the amount of energy we use, and we could notice an issue the second it pops up.
We demonstrate our green commitment with investments in technology, operations, and training to conserve resources like water, natural gas, electricity and fuel, and to protect air and water quality. Let's take a tour. We save water in our washing process by taking the water from the end of the cycle and reuse it to wet the incoming soiled laundry at the beginning of the cycle. We also use hot water from the end of the wash cycle and run it through a heat exchanger to raise the temperature of incoming cold water. We can pick up 90 degrees in temperature, which saves gas and electricity. Hard water is softened to make it more receptive to the washing chemistry, allowing us to use less detergent and clean the products faster.
The amount of water that we save on an annual basis will be equivalent to the amount of water consumed in a year by about 5,000 households.
Unitex has invested in LED lighting to reduce electrical demand while improving the quality and comfort level of lighting for our employees. Our dryers are computerized and are equipped with infrared temperature controls, with dry time programmed precisely to the item in the dryer.
The fact that it's that precise allows us then again to consume as little natural gas as possible and electricity in the process because there's not a wasted moment.
We invest in automation so that machines can operate at high speeds, resulting in a higher hourly throughput, which saves energy. Equipment like the ironing machines each have their own gas burner, which makes them 20% more efficient. A computerized maintenance system has been designed to plan and schedule maintenance to keep the machines running at maximum efficiency.
Downtime is the biggest energy waster. When you're having to start and stop machines constantly for breakdowns, you're using more energy to do that. The time and effort we put into making a maintenance management system work, we view as a huge investment into improving our green initiative.
Unitex uses 100% organic chemicals and even participated in creating an NPE-free detergent. We also researched and replaced the use of chlorine bleach with an oxygen-based biodegradable agent, which protects the water system and reduces linen damage.
Longer product life allows us to discard less product, and the fact that we're discarding less product, we're creating less solid waste in our process.
Every plant is optimized to preserve resources. Standards are set and monitored carefully, with staff trained to be proactive on how to read and respond to daily stats.
We spend a lot of time working with our teams and educating them on how to understand the reporting mechanisms, how to interpret reporting.
And that's not just writing numbers down on a spreadsheet, that's making sure our energy usage is within our expectations.
Unitex manages a fleet of 150 trucks equipped with the latest technology for route optimization, in-cab coaching, fuel conservation, and air quality control.
We have all of our trucks set for a 3-minute idle, and there's an automatic shutoff. We don't want to have our drivers sitting and idling because you're wasting fuel, and it's bad for the environment. When we're in trucks, they have proper equipment in them to keep everything safe. It's a good feeling.
Unitex shares its knowledge and green mindset by holding community and educational events, and contributes to donation programs. Linens and bedding for college-bound students, donating products to animal shelters and disaster relief programs, running Earth Day activities with elementary schools, and collecting and recycling plastic.
We're happy to have companies from all over the country, and in some cases we've had companies from all over the world come and tour our facilities to understand a better way to operate. And the fact that this is important enough to us that we're allowing competition into our facilities, I think speaks to the commitment we have to be able to have that kind of openness and transparency in how we run our business every day.